Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. Today we're going to be playing Into the Dead. So I'm right now in the it's the pause menu because as soon as I started, it instantly got me straight into the game. I've seen some videos about this, some photos. It looks like a sick game, so I decided why not to play it. And it's basically you're trying to like dodge these zombies. Oh shit, it's super loud. Oh shit, now it's too slow. And there are zombie hitters, but I think we're still okay. We're good. I think it's because the first round. My volume. There we go. Okay. Now we're gonna take a left. I saw that there's some like what is it? Some weapons on this game. So that'll be cool. I think you're gonna get down if you get hit like twice. So you gotta watch out for that. We gotta dodge out these zombies. Oh shit. Ah, come on. Okay, they got me. Ugh, what a horrible screen. Okay. 665 meters. Okay, what? How many coins? 80. That's good. So I guess we started with 100. Let's see. Weapons can be found at random and split. Okay. I can never find the right unlock. Next unlock. Fast unlock. Okay. Okay, let's take next. Wait, we can equip this. Ooh, companion. That'd be cool to get. Right now we really don't have anything. Oh, there's a cost for each round, like when you play. Okay. So I guess we shoot it. Ooh, I think that might be a crate or something. See that green right there? Yeah, okay, these are crates. Complete collect a weapon from crate. Awesome. Actually, no. And I suck at this game. I was trying to shoot him. I was like, come on. I want to try out the new weapon. Okay. Well, we clearly survived like only 10 seconds. That was the best game ever. Okay, let's see. Yeah, let's click play. So it's 100 coins per perk. Okay. I think it's gonna be the same thing again. Maybe I'm expecting the thing to be like right in front of me. Where's this crate? I guess we're not getting it. That sucks. What is this? I don't get it. Oh, okay. Oh, I get it. Okay, so every time you die, apparently, you might get your stuff back. Oh, that's cool. Try to shoot this on me. Okay, I totally missed. I think you gotta shoot them more than once. So I'm just gonna keep on going forward. I wanna kill the zombie this time. Oh, okay, I killed him. Yeah, first zombie down. Well, I think we get stuff in here. Yeah, we get stuff. I guess we can jump over this. Oh shoot, don't get me. Okay. Ooh, a box. No. No. Okay. I thought we almost lost. Okay. I'm taking no. Oh, I thought we died. Oh, look at these cool skills. Dang. Oh, never mind. That was awesome. Okay, this one we actually survived much longer. We survived 1,097 meters. So that's good. That's pretty good. Okay. So 134 cookies, coins. So that's good. Okay. So use a perk. I guess we're gonna do that one next. Since I want to finish all the achievements. Start. Let's see. More crates, head start, ammo boost. Let's do companion. Wait, do I click activate? Okay. Oh no. If I click it, it gets rid of it. Okay. Yay, this one got a dog on our side. Use break. There we go. See, I'm too far from me. No, doggy. Okay. I can barely see him right now. My screen brightness is so low right now. Okay. Just running. Oh, yeah. Does it only kill one? Are you serious? I'm never gonna get the. Oh, never mind. Oh, come on. Oh, okay, never mind. I thought that was like something I got items from. So, yeah, my dog stays with me. Ooh. Okay, college football. So I guess I don't know. I couldn't read the whole thing. Or how long I'm shooting for or something like that. Oh, okay. I just got a pointer thing. Oh shoot, never mind. No. I'm almost dying. Okay, some zombies take 2 hits, some zombies only take 1 hit. Oh, okay, bouncy, bouncy. No. Get that gun. Dang it. Luckily my dog is going ham on those zombies. It's gonna be hard to see them. I'm just keep on going in a straight line. I'm hoping not to get hit by the corner. What strange achievements. Okay. Yeah, we're doing amazing. Okay, if we can hit 2,000 meters, that's gonna be awesome. Oh, dang it, I thought. Oh, okay. I'm so dumb. I thought we were gonna, like, if you get hit once, you have to hit at least twice to be able to knock down. But if you straight into it, okay. That's gonna be good. This next round, I'm gonna try to break 2,000 meters. Okay, that's good. Let's go to next exclusive. Compete with friends, sync across device to get a free zombie pack. I might try that on later. Okay. See, okay. Some more coins. And okay, I'm trying to get 1,000. I don't want to use the companion again. I'm trying to click. Okay, there we go. It wasn't working. I kept on clicking play. Okay, this time I'm gonna try to survive. I'm gonna go this way. Full on this way. I trick right now. Oh, never mind. I thought it was gonna be cool because if I go this way, I spawn this way, and then I could just turn this way. Let me see. Ooh, big gun. Come on. No, okay, we can't make it. Okay, so this is a pretty good game actually. When you start getting lots of cool weapons, you get to go really far. That's gonna be cool. There might be even stronger later on. Okay. Let's try jumping. Yeah, we collected it again. So we got defense, I guess. Oh yeah, we got a pistol, right? Okay. So I'm gonna try to shoot this zombie. This should make it so you so when you shoot a zombie, it gives you dang it, I thought I killed it. But every time you kill a zombie, they should give you more coins. Or maybe they do. Classic, your best. Okay. This time we're gonna try to get that wait, let me see these missions. New weapon and armor. 1 to go. Okay, that's what I'm gonna get. Okay. Let's go play. If I would have not taken the companion last round, I think actually no, because it does get lots of coins. Because we traveled a lot. Let's try to hit 2,000 meters this time. Okay. I'm trying to click, sometimes I try to click to the side, but you have to hit all the way to the side. To the left and to the right. Well, look at this. I'm dodging all of them. Okay, so we're gonna get a pistol. Yeah, that's good. We'll be able to defend ourselves. Oh shoot, I'm the worst at aiming. First I'm shooting once, and I'll see if they die. Okay. Never mind, my gun is empty. It has no more ammo. Okay, they got me right there. I wanted to get that. Oh, yes, we did get it. Okay. Okay, I want to go through here. I really don't want. I want to get to 2,000 this round. Never mind, that's not gonna happen. Okay. This is intense. You have to keep tapping left, right. This is an actually pretty good game. I would recommend it to you. If you want to know it, it's just actually I forgot the name. Oh wow, this game is too much fun. Okay. From here. But anyways, you can always go down in the description and go check it in there. I'll leave the description there. Rate the game. I'll rate it later. Okay, there we go. 1,000. It's fast unlocked. Continue. And there we go. We have a chainsaw now. Armor. I already did that. Okay, let's go with well, yeah, we can't go with any perks. Okay, I think this might be our last round. And also, while you're down there trying to check out the game, I would totally appreciate it if you click that subscribe button and hit the like button also. I really appreciate it. And yeah, so let's keep on playing this zombie game. When I saw it in the Play Store, I really didn't think that, it's just a running game. It kind of is, but it's really fun. Use your thumbs a lot. Okay. Ooh, there we go. A chainsaw. I don't think we get to use the previous things. Oh, come on. Wait, do we have to collect the middle? I suck at this. So let me just do one more to check out how the weapon works. Okay, click play. If we die, this is gonna be the last battle, so I cannot really, not the last battle, not battle, well I guess we're battling zombies, but we're running away from them. It's gonna be the last run. I'm gonna call them run. Okay, we're trying to find a chainsaw. I think about shotguns. And there we go, there's our, come on, I'll turn it. Okay, yeah, I think we have to click it. Okay, we got it. Let's see, I have to clear that. Okay. And we're dead. But sadly, that's all the time we had for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed.